Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Asifa Laik. I study in class 8. I live at Bergachi Chokaradia. I have been studying in Al-Manar Educate since 2015. I learned many things here, and the teachers are so kind and supportive. They appreciate us to achieve our goal, and I want to tell all my juniors that respect your elders and teachers and work hard and achieve your goal.
I am Abdullah Naim, standing here to explain my experience. As you know, I joined Al-Manar Educare in the year 2019, and I have been studying here for 3 years. In this very short time, I had learned many things like speaking English, how to express, how to behave, how to react. A big point I had learned here, basic Arabic, which helped me to understand Quran.
My name is Ikra Kausar and I am studying in class 8. I have been studying Al-Manar since 2015. Enjoyed when Director Sir used to teach us something by making it more interestingly. And I heard Afan Sir's lectures so sensitively, and I'll follow it. I want to tell all my friends to live happy and enjoy all the moments.
Hi friends, I'm Margoob Khan. I'm here since 2014. I've learned many things here, but the most important thing which I saw is the discipline here and peaceful environment. I've learned many subjects, but most important subject that seemed to me was the Arabic, which helps me to recite Quran.
I'm Sahil Amir from class 8. I belong to Basmatiya, which is in Araria district, but near the international border. I have joined Al-Manar Educare in the year 2017. I have been studying here for 5 years. I have learned many things such as how to play volleyball, football. I had learned with the languages only in 1 year with the help of Kalimuddin sir. At the time, he was the member of Al-Manar Educare till 2018.
Myself, Mani Fatima.
I am Kash Khurshid. I study in Al-Manar since 2016. I have been learned many things. This is Al-Manar Educare. You see, that is a very good school. Not is my opinion. That is all the students say is the best.
Hi friends, I'm Asfar Motadi, and I took admission here when I was small. I remember that it was 2014. I was in class 1, and I knew nothing at the time. But now, as you can see me, whatever I know, it's because of Al-Manar Educare. So I am thankful to Al-Manar Educare to make me such a good person, and inshallah, when whatever I will be, I will be because of Al-Manar Educare. There are many memories related to it. I still remember my first Teachers' Day, when our teachers, especially the director of our school, played a drama for us, and the first annual day we have and the first sports day we have. It was not on a such large scale, but whatever it was, it has become one of the best memories of my life. Now when I am going from here, I am understanding the real value of Al-Manar Educare. It can't be said what I have learned here and what I understood here. I can't express it in words. So what I want to say to you, just keep learning, keep growing, and make Al-Manar proud.
Myself, Taba Iqbal. I belong to Dehti. I have been studying here since 2019. My journey of Al-Manar Educare is very enjoyable, and I learned many things from here.
Myself, Asim Riza. I am from Diha Kamalla. Now I am living in Araria. I joined Al-Manar Educare since 2016 in class 2.
Friends, I am Mosi Baris from class 8. I became Al-Manar's student in 2015. There are many good memories which I have created with the help of our teachers and management. Teachers are very responsible and supportive to us. I want to message my lovely juniors, keep learning, don't be overconfident in any condition.
I'm Tiba Shameen. I've been studying here since 2014. I learned many things from here. My journey is very enjoyable, and Afan Sir's speech is very inspiring, and I learned many things, and I will follow all the instruction of Afan Sir.
I am Mohammad Shayan Ghalib from class 8. I joined this school in 2018 in 5th class. I am very thankful to all teachers who make me capable to speak.
Hello friends, my name is Misbah and I first came here in class 5th in 2018. I have learned many things in class 8 in this school, and the most important things I have learned in this school is discipline.
Hello everybody, I am Wasi. I belong to Basmatiya that is located near international border. I have been studying here since 2018. I learned a lot from this school as how to speak in English and how to express our feeling and how to behave and how to treat. And I have also learned Urdu by our MD sir. I got most diligent teacher in this school who tell me the difference between wrong and right. I thankful all teachers. At last, I want to advise my juniors, always be united, that all the powers lies in unity. Give respect. Inshallah, someday you will be respected.
Hi friend, my name is Muhammad Shadab. I joined this school in the year 2015.
Hello friends, my name is Muhammad Farhan Alam. I am a student from class 8. I have been studying here since 2014.
I am Aliyat from class 8. I have been studying in Al-Manar Education since 2016 in class 3rd.
My name is Zoya Masoodi and I am studying class 8. I have been studying in Al-Manar Education since 2018. When I came in the school, it was very difficult to stay, but as a day passed, I have enjoyed the school very much. The inspiration speech of Afansa inspired very much. The special thing of this school that the teacher is fully devoted to the school. This school made the perform Salah. At last, message for all juniors to study with fun and follow the advice of the teacher. I want to give us some message to my all juniors that you ask question, you don't think that sir will not tell you.
I'm a fan from class 8. I'm here from class 1. I took admission in 2014.
Hello everyone, I'm Akhtiar Anjum from Aradia. I have studied in this school in the year 2014 and now 2020. When I came to this school, I was small and I was in class 1.
Hi friends, I am Zaid Muiz. I have been learning in this school since 2015.
I am Ashtad Subhan. I belong to Koshkipur. I have been studying in this school since 2017 and for 5 years. First of all, I am so much thankful of Allah who became me part of Al-Manar Educare, and then my teachers and my parents who support me. This is the first school where I saw different ambience. I have learned many things as Quran recitation, how to treat someone, how to pass your life, how to behave with someone. And the most special that I have learned, that is Arabic language, which support me to understand the Quran. At last, I want to advise my lovable friends, that is, be cooperative, be positive, forget the past, concentrate on new beginning, and be adorable.
Myself, Akif Khan. I have been studying in Al-Manar Education since 2016 for 7 years. I belong to Bergachi Chowk, Aradia. I have learned many things in Al-Manar Education, such Quran, recitations, sports, and many other things.
This is Abuja Jamil. I joined this school in 2015.
I am Abdullah. I belong to the village of Balwa, which is in Joki Parkhand. I joined Al-Manar family in 2019 in class 6. I have passed my 3 years here. I had learned many things here. The sole thing that I got from Al-Manar is the tarbiyat, and the teachers are very, and you can say very good. They are very respectable. I have the message for my juniors that always be in discipline, respect your teachers, and think positive and think beyond your thinking. Thank you.
My name is Salim Haq and I have joined this school since 2019.
Hi friends, I am Amdadul Haq. I am from class 8. I have been studying since 2017. I have learned many things from Al-Manar Educare. I have made many good memories with the help of our teachers and management. I am thankful to all my teachers. I want to say my juniors, keep learning, keep growing and make Al-Manar proud of you. Love you Al-Manar family.
I am Nadir Azad. I am from Bochi. I have been studying in Al-Manar Educare since 2015 and for 7 years. I learned many things in Al-Manar Educare like English spoken, Ushu and Arabic languages. Ushu, which is helped me for self-defense, which is learned by Ali sir.
I am Arsh Fatma. I live in Aradia at Khalilabad. I have been studying in Al-Manar Educare since 2015. It's my third school and I love Al-Manar Educare very much. And it is very hard to stay here when I came, and now it is very difficult to leave. And our teachers are very good. They always support us. They are very kind. I want to give some message to my juniors to work hard and achieve your goals.